দেখা যায় ম্যাক্সিমাম মানুষ ইংরেজি শেখে কিন্তু ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারে না। এর মূল কারণ হচ্ছে লিসেনিং। তাই এই সমস্যাটাকে সমাধানের একটি মাত্র উপায়, আপনাদের কোনো কিছু শোনার সময় ইংরেজিতে শুনতে হবে এবং কোনো কিছু বলার সময় ইংরেজিতে বলতে হবে। কখনো বাংলা ভাষা ইউজ করা যাবে না। আজকের এই ভিডিওটি দেখার পর যে কেউ কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে প্রশ্ন করতে হয় সেটা শিখতে পারবেন। তাই আমি আপনাদের বলবো ভিডিওটি স্কিপ না করে পুরো ভিডিওটি দেখতে থাকুন। হাউ লং দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। হাউ লং উইল ইউ স্লিপ? How long will you exercise? How long will you walk? How long will you reach? How long will you study? How long will you work? How long will you play? How much দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। How much are the apples? How much are the bananas? How much are the books? How much are the books? How much are the pens? How much are the pencils? How far দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। How far is the book store? How far is the airport? How far is the bank? How far is the office? How far is the shop? How far is the house? How far is the school? How far is the university? How many দিয়ে question. How many people are there? How many books are there? How many boxes are there? How many buses are there? How many cars are there? How many shops are there? How many children are there? Where দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। Where do you live? Where do you stay? Where do you play? Where do you study? Where do you sleep? Where do you work? Where do you eat? Where do you meditate? Where is the phone? Where is the restaurant? Where is the bus stop? Where is the hotel? Where is the airport? Where is the clinic? Where is the bank? Where is the bank? Where is the washroom? What দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। What do you study? What do you play? What do you do? What are you buying? What are you selling? What are you doing? What are you taking? What are you reading? What are you writing? What are you teaching? What are you learning? What are you playing? Why দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। Why are you crying? Why are you sleeping? Why are you walking? Why are you dancing? Why are you laughing? Why are you shouting? Why are you smiling? Why are you sad? Why are you happy? Do দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। Do you like to study? Do you like to work? Do you like to eat? Do you like to talk? Do you like to dance? Do you like to sing? Do you like to waltz? Do you like to sleep? Do you like to play? When দিয়ে প্রশ্ন। When are you going? When are you coming? When are you leaving? When are you walking? When are you sleeping? When are you eating? When are you exercising? When are you dancing? When are you cooking? যদি আপনাদের এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে কমেন্ট সেকশনে লিখতে ভুলবেন না, কারণ আপনাদের একটি লাইক ও কমেন্ট আমার পরবর্তী ভিডিওটি তৈরি করতে খুবই অনুপ্রেরণা যোগায়।